let's also put the spotlight on the steel sector now, which is witnessing the impact of rising raw material prices. What's leading to this soar in prices and where is demand headed? My colleague Ashesha is joining us to paint a comprehensive picture on this. Ashesha, take it away.
Well, yes, steel stocks are in focus today, and that is because prices of both key raw materials, iron ore and coking coal, have been increasing over the last couple of weeks. In fact, coking coal prices have risen nearly 12% on a month-on-month basis, and now they stand at about $290 per ton. Remember, we rely on imports totally for coking coal, and coking coal is a major raw material. It contributes about 45% of the total raw material cost, and hence any surge in global coking coal prices is a negative for domestic steel mills. Iron ore prices meanwhile have also risen. In fact, Chinese mills have increased capacity utilization, and there is some disruption of iron ore inventory, which is leading to the surge in global iron ore prices. Australian fines rose by about 15% on a month-on-month basis, and NMDC too yesterday announced a price hike of about 300 rupees per ton. Now, if you look at the iron ore prices trend over the last few quarters, this quarter it has been on a lower side, but in the last few days we have seen a sudden surge in both iron ore as well as coking coal prices. Now, as far as domestic steel demand and steel price environment is concerned, that continues to remain solid. Imports from China are coming down, which is a positive for domestic steel demand. Domestic steel prices have also risen by about 11% on a month-on-month basis. So on the domestic front, everything looks good for the steel mills. As far as the current spread structure is concerned, contribution stands at about 38% of the HRC price globally. So current HRC prices stands about $550 per ton, and contribution stands at 38% of the global HRC price. Remember, when recently steel prices rose, all of these steel stocks had run up a whole lot, and now with the surge in raw material prices, let's see how these stocks react.